Have we tested our backup plan?
You know, we meant to get to that, but I don't think we've done that in a year or so. In the scenario you just saw, you saw a team of executives come together and begin to understand the crisis that can come up from not having your systems fully protected by backup. Statistics show that 42% of organizations don't adequately protect their data because they fail to back up everything. What is key here is to work with your IT support team, your engineers, those individuals responsible for your systems, to ensure that all systems, applications, and data are protected by a backup, that backup is run on at least a daily basis, and as importantly, that there are periodic tests of those backups to ensure that you can get the data back when the need arises. Having a plan and having somebody tell you that you're protected is not enough. Have the team prove it to you.